Guys, I'm about to post my first YouTube video. Me and the homies are gonna go to Cars and Coffee in Riverside. I swapped out the stocks on my trucks. I had to put them on so it was raining hard. So I'll drive my brother's. We just came and put the wheels back on my truck. Put the welds back on. Here's my homie's truck right here. Here's the other homie's truck. The camera shot homie right here. This is my truck. This is the truck I'm gonna be posting the most YouTube videos on right here. Me with the homies in Riverside. I had to swap on my welds back on because I was on stocks and it's been raining up here in California a lot. That's right there. He said that it's still pretty active, so we're just gonna pull up and I'm gonna try to record like a little vlog for you guys on the way there. But my homie Silverado, if you can see it, and the homie GMC over there. But I'm gonna record more as we get there. Right now we're going through, I think there's like Colton, but it's not too far of a drive from us. We live in a little paranoid to go to Riverside because I live in California, so right here they got like all the restrictions for like the smog, and you get stay ref for anything, man. I got stay ref one time when my truck was completely stock. I got stay ref for just having a side exit exhaust, and I know they're known to be more dickheads over there in Riverside because they have like a certain department called RSO, like a division where it's like for street racing and stuff like that. So I know they're really assholes when it comes to all that stay ref stuff. So I never really come out here to Riverside in my truck, but I'm like, fuck it, I think I'll be fine as long as I'm just driving normal, you know, not driving dumb or anything, speeding. Homie's truck right there, look at him. Look like he don't want to drive safe, look at that. Just got to the meet real quick, in my truck, my homie's truck. One of the homies that was here said it's already kind of dead, but I'm gonna walk around, see what we see if we see any cool cars. Well, we came too late, huh? Alex said it was more active, but he said he had just gotten here. I had literally just woken up. Man didn't even scrub his ass, huh, man? He had just woken up. My shit had the rubber all in the back. My shit had rubber all in the back when we were doing the burnouts yesterday. There's a homie's truck right here. It's pretty clean. Cam. He's crazy pulling up with that here. Fuck. What they say, no revving on the fire? Car crashed that car me. He went forward and he smacked his bumper on the curb. Oh, he's out, bro. That fool didn't even stay, huh? That fool popped his bumper and did, bro. He got embarrassed up.
Dude, like, I'm not gonna get off.
He was barely pulling up. I seen him right now. It's funny, bro.
That shit popped off.
This is what I want out here in M3. If I ever get rid of my truck, this is what I'm gonna buy. I just want one bad. I got the red guts, bro. That's hard. What is the new one look? Yeah. How do you feel about those new headlights? I like the old ones more, huh? That's just hard to look.
They look more aggressive.
I feel like those headlights are good on the X5M, bro.
Look for the Android bumper.
Nah, the Adra, bro. The way Fresh Street shot is perfect, bro. But that shit's expensive. That's probably like a $10,000 kit, you know? Like for everything.
The bumper, yeah, probably. That should probably like $6,000.
Shit hard, bro. Look at it. But I've always liked the Integras too. But you know the ones from the Japan with the different headlights?
Yeah.
Those are hard. Type R. We got here kind of late, so it was a little bit dead, but we're about to leave. We're probably gonna go get some breakfast. None of us have eaten, so we're a little hungry. Yeah, everybody's leaving already because this shit ended at 11. It's 11:20. But yeah, we're on the way to go get some food now. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm gonna start recording more videos like this, like just random stuff me and my homies do with the trucks, or like any mods I do to my truck and stuff like that. But alright then, guys, I'm gonna try to post more videos. I'm gonna try to be posting videos at least once a week. Way back to San Bernardino now. See how it goes. Homie want to race or what? Why are you lining up next to me like that? What are we doing? 60 right now? My truck spun a little bit. Because if I don't take traction control off, my truck spins and then it cuts power. I gotta take traction control off, but right now with the little sprinkling, it's kind of sketchy, you know. So that's the only reason why I don't do it. I always shook the Silverado. This is hard, man. I really like these Silverados. Before I got my Ford, I really wanted one of these, but I just feel like for the price, they're really expensive still for like an older truck, you know. You gotta put a lot of money into them to make them fast.